Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. My name is Titi. I am from Botswana. How are you guys doing, man? I am reacting to Nasty C today. I think I tried to listen. I tried to react to this song. I don't know. I saw it. I was like, whoa, Soweto Gospel Choir. Okay, let's check that one out because I don't know. I'm afraid to react to rap music these days. Because yeah, rap music is kind of, anyway, never mind. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get to Nasty C, Soweto Gospel Choir. The name of the song, Heads Up 2.0.
I was just sitting in the back of the bus. Now I pull up in a demon. I'm telling you that to show you how crazy your life could change if you believe it. I know it gets hard to maintain sometimes. I seen it. You gotta keep your head above the water, stay calm and keep dreaming. No matter what they say, yeah, gotta keep your head up. No matter what they say, yeah, keep your head up. No matter what they say, gotta keep your head up. No matter what they say, yeah, keep your head up. Keep your head up, young. Yeah. Come rain or sunshine, I'ma keep on pushing. I'ma let these people keep on talking, let them keep on looking. They don't know my struggle, they don't know why God put me where he put me. And as long as I get to wherever I'm going, I won't care how long it took me. And I won't hate no man for being on his grind. That's just not the vibe, that's just not what I do with my time. Let that nigga try, let that nigga win, let him fly. If you wonder why, his success is not a threat to mine. Cause I'm still right here getting it 100 ways, still keeping it 100,000. Heartbroken in 100 ways, mind moving at 100 miles. You might see me on stadium stage, but I come from the underground. I done bought about 100 planes, I done walked in 100 towns. If I want shit, I hunt shit down. I thank God that my heart still pounds. Tryna balance this life like symphony, but it's made of 100 sounds. You're supposed to want the best for me, why would you try to bring me down? I had 99 pounds like Jay-Z, but you're making it 100 now. I was just sitting in the back of the bus, now I pull up in a demon. Telling you that to show you how crazy your life could change if you believe it. I know it gets hard to maintain sometimes, I see it. You gotta keep your head above the water, stay calm and keep dreaming. And no matter what they say, yeah, gotta keep your head up. No matter what they say, yeah, keep your head up. No matter what they say, gotta keep your head up. No matter what they say, yeah, keep your head up.
Yo, I even forgot that I'm doing reactions. I'm like, okay, where do I jump in? Yeah, obviously this is Nasty C, man. Like, what can I say? You know what I mean? Like, there is not much I can say. That you, yeah. Big artists from South Africa. I feel like the South African music industry have made its own mark. Like, if you're still in doubt, then there's no way we can help you. You know what I mean? Like, and it's just so beautiful to see young guys like this, man. I'm also like a Christian, so it's also one of those things where you're like, yeah, I mean, all the things are true. Beautiful, beautiful song. I'm a big fan of Soweto Gospel Choir. Yeah, I've been listening, and I like, I like that they have not changed their name. They've just stayed like it's in the name. They're a gospel choir, so they are singing about the good news. So every time you see them, it's all about good news and stuff. So yeah, big up to us to see 11 days ago. This is still very new, and I would say like for Africans, we should really just support one another. I know Nasty is like a big artist getting supported all over the world, but I feel like as big as he is, I don't think many Africans are. You know, we should be talking about this album in Nigeria. We should be talking about all the stuff in Angola, or you know what I mean, like. But wait until like somebody outside of Africa release a song, it just becomes like a global thing because just Africans are talking about it. I feel like we are not talking about our own artists as much as we talk about other people's artists. You know what I mean? So anyway, now it's becoming political. It's just like good music. Like it's not about quality, it's not about anything. I feel like we just are not supportive for one another. Um and it's not just like hip hop as well. There's so many other genres. Of course we love the dance moves and stuff like that, but are we really supporting one another? Are we really talking about each other enough that we can feel the love from one place to the other? But I don't know. Why am I talking about this? I'm going on and on. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Alright? Go check out this song. That's to see. I'm surprised that it's 11 days and it has not reached 1 million views yet. Come on. What more do you want? What